Yo, what's good, family? We back again, once again on the Pokédears channel. Pack a day, every day, day number 395. And we got open up our prismatic booster bundles. And let's see what we get today. Right now, we 0-2. We opened 2 packs so far. Let's see if we can do something good in our third pack for the pack a day. Let's get it. Check it out. Everything copacetic. See if we can do something good after the holiday. Happy belated Juneteenth, you feel me? Let's get it. Let's see if we pull something good, fam. QR code for the family. Fam, bam, thank you, ma'am. Go. All right. Let's go. Furful, Relu, Friends of Paldea. We have a Lapuna. We have a rescue board. We got a Pokeball probably back there. Professor Toro Scenario. Nice card. We have a Shaman.
I'm leaving here with something. You know what I mean? I'm from around the way. I'm leaving with something.
Ooh, I like this. We got a Okie Dokie. Nice, fire. So we do got a hit. We have us a Pokeball, Okie Dokie, Okie Dokie, Doggy, or Dogie, however you want to pronounce it. So that's that hit right there. We're gonna put that to the side, give us some sleeves, see if we got anything else. And just a regular Umbreon with a water. So we did get a hit today. Ooh, look at that, all 3 reverse hollows, nice. So we have a Pokeball. Get our sleeves. Sleeve this bad baby up. So we finally got us a hit. I knew we couldn't go 0-2. You know what I'm saying? Or no, 0-3. My bad. So we do got us a hit. Clean, beautiful card too. Beautiful. Centered everything with gorgeous. Okay, clean. All right. So we'll add our cards back into the deck. Get our box. Get our bulk in the box. And we're gonna head over to the binder. Pick that up. All right. Now let's get to our giveaway, the binder. Like I said, giving away 8 binders. Everything that's in my personal Lucario binder, which you're about to see right here from the pack a day we pulled today, from EX boxes, from unboxes, booster bundles, booster boxes, all that good stuff. The first 2 pages will be filled up from the binder, and then I'll let you know how to be a part of the giveaway. You know what I'm saying? I'll show you all the listener names right there. So let's get to it and let's check out the binder so far. So right now you're gonna get some supporters, some trainers, some EXs, Apexes, Full Arts, Alt Arts, Reverse Hollows, Pokeballs, Radiance, Sword and Shield, VMAXs, V-Stars, Shinies, Rainbow Borders, promo cards, all from different Sword and Shield. We got some Scarlet and Violet. We got some Mega Evolutions. So it's going to be a few from different eras. Look at that Pet Pup. Beautiful. Charizard Y. Love that Lapras right there. Emboar right there. We got Apex. We got a Pokeball right there as well. Bulbasaur Full Art. Orgrippon. Pikachu's. We even got Hollow Energy cards. Check it out. We got Moltres up there. Fire. Cynthia's Garchomp. That Dugong. We have that promo card Raku. Promo card Valplume. And Oddish. Sir, that Wigglytuff is top that's nice too. I have 8 promo cards right here of this Mupchuda. And I have 8, so each binder will get one of these perfect order promo cards. That the Fable is nice. Look at that shiny. More Sword and Shield for my Sword and Shield fans. Spreadrito, Pokeball, Love Ball, Water Ball. What is that? The Psychic, Leaf Ball, balls. We have a Milk Tank Pokeball. More Sword and Shield right here for the family. More promo cards. The Zacius right there. We got 2 of these going into the second page. And they're our second Zacius. And we almost done with this page. Literally have those 3 slots. We did get the the reverse hollow energy and stuff like that. Like I said, I got some other cards. I'm about to finish this page up today because I got 3 cards I can add in here. Like I said, we left off about 4.5 pages, so we should be at 4 pages. Let's count that up. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it would be 4.5, but it's about to be 4 since we got that first page on that side filled. Right? And here goes the giveaway names. Congratulations to all the contestants that made it on the list so far. If you see your name on here, congrats. And if you don't see your name, and this is how you be a part of the giveaway for the 8 binders. If you're new to the family, all you gotta do is hit that like button or hit the hype button on the video. Push the video in the algorithm. Let YouTube know that y'all show y'all love and support. Like, comment, and subscribe. Throw your name in the comment section or your favorite Pokemon, and I'll add your name to the list. Or you gotta say, yo, just write your name, I'll add your name to the list. Or you say, D, add me to the list. And if you're already part of the family, like I said, welcome to the family, the new family members. All you gotta do, if you're already part of the family, hit the like button or hit the hype button. Add your name to the comment section or your favorite Pokemon, and add your name to the list. And as you can see, we still have slots open. So sub up to the channel if you new, and I'll put you in the giveaway. So, all right, family, we did win something today. Whew, about time. I know we couldn't be 0-3, so you know our motto: win some, you lose some, but gotta collect them all. Gotta catch them all. Till next time, family. See if we can run it back for 2P. Deuces.